my name's Hedy. I'm the Big Cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co, not .com. .co with Muppet Bundle Hundle, who is really bored. So today we're talking about how to make some kind of brochure, or any kind of brochure with Word documents. I personally, if you're going to do it, use PowerPoint. It's a lot snazzy and it's a lot more fun. I don't know why I'm using the word snazzy at the moment, but it's a lot snazzy and a lot more fun. You can do it on a Word document. If you send that over to a printer, they're going to laugh at you like, what are you? Is it the first time you've used a computer? But I'm going to show you the most simple basic layouts to be able to do, and then I'll explain to you what you can do afterwards with that. Let's get going. So I'm not going to show you like a proper brochure. I'm just showing you how you can just start embedding and adding. So you add an image that you've grabbed from your pictures, and I'm going to start from scratch just now. You're going to insert a picture. That's where I've got it from. I've got a picture of a bagel that burnt. I actually burnt that 5 years ago in the microwave. I kept it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes and the whole kitchen exploded. So grab a logo now. Okay, grab a logo, right click text wrapping behind the text. Now you can see it's embedded. I'm not going to show you a full brochure putting it together. I'm going to show you how you can play with the different letters or words and the different visuals. So you can just slide these up or down, move things to the front or the back. You're looking at the page layout. Make sure when you're doing this, make sure that you are clicking on the white screen, so then you can click on the margins. If not, then that top area will become light grey. So you're looking at this. This then, if you were starting from scratch, would have 2 columns down the centre, and you can make that into one of those kind of folded brochures, or the ones that you can fold over in thirds. The same thing with like 2 different columns, the margins, etc. Play around with it. It's very simple how easy it is to be able to mess around with this adding. You can then add shapes. Really basic, but we're doing like a whole diamond thing just now. I actually can do push-ups in that kind of diamond with my hands. And then you do like a blue, connecting, and then obviously you'll then be able to print this out. Very simple. Slide things across, scroll them around, and off you go. And then the final part, make sure on your layout, you're going to put this into a professional brochure, but I'm just showing you how you can drag and drop and add things. Say, for example, you can then convert these over into grids, and you've got all different cycles and different images that you can do to be able to embed content within. Very simple for brochures. So I'm not going to show you a professional design photography of a Word document because I'm not a pro designer, so I'm not going to do that. What I was showing you was very simple. I can do it, she can do it, you can do it. What you do, insert your images. Insert the images, you right click on your mouse. You can see you right click on your mouse, and then you can turn it and move the image to the back so you can get the wording over it. If you don't do that, the design will cover over any wording you've done. Change the columns, change those formats, the ones that I showed you with different effects as well. Add in shapes and different visuals and different images along with that and color code them. It's not going to be the best brochure. You should be doing it and having it professionally done by somebody doing it even on PowerPoint or some kind of graphic illustration on a Mac. But if you're going to do your own basic one, that I was just showing you the very simple what you can drag and drop and move things around. My name's Hedy. I'm the Big Cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co, never.com. Who sounds? She's hollow. Muppet Bundle Cundle, who's barking. Have a brilliant one.